All right, y'all. So here I have two fresh red snapper. All right. So we're gonna clean it up a little bit. It's already scaled for the most part, but we're gonna give it an extra scale just to make sure there's not a lot of scale on it. All right. Score. Gonna make sure the fish is nice and dry before we add our seasoning. Now we're gonna add our seasoning, guys. Right between the cuts, between the groove. And then we're gonna make sure the inside is nicely seasoned. If you've never had brown stew fish before, guys, you definitely need to try it. Definitely, it's a must try. All right, so we're gonna get our skillet nice and hot, guys. We already added the oil to it. Once it comes to that temperature, about 350 or higher, we're gonna deep fry our fish until it's nice and crispy. Then we're gonna remove it from the oil, let it sit for a little bit, and then we'll start working on our brown stew sauce. All right, so we're gonna add some scotch bonnet pepper to the oil, just to flavor it up a little bit. Ooh. All right. And that's how you know the oil is ready to go. It's piping hot. Add your fish. And we're gonna fry the fish, guys, until it's super crispy. All right? Depending on where you're from, what part in Jamaica you're from, you might do it a little bit different. You might add brown into it, you might not. You might add sugar to it, but I'm gonna show you how I do it my way. Let's go. Undisputed king of the Sunday dinner table for generations. Imagine the crunch of a flash-fried snapper, meat in a gravy infused with pimento, scotch bonnet, and thyme. This is the science of soul food, Jamaican food. Time to flip. Woo. Alright, guys, so we're going to add some butter. And here I have some fresh tomatoes, some scotch bonnet pepper, carrot, pimento berry, garlic, ginger, thyme, bell peppers, green onion, and regular onion. Alright, so we're going to drop that in. In Jamaica, food isn't just sustenance, it's a narrative of resilience and flavor, and at the heart of the story is brown stew fish. It's the sophisticated, savory cousin to the fiery escovitch fish, a dish that trades vinegar for velvety and heat for depth. Then we're going to add some water. Add that water to it. Add a little seasoning to the water. We're gonna add some browning seasoning. Yeah. Add some browning seasoning to it. Not too much. We're not gonna overdo it. We're gonna add some ketchup. And then we're gonna add some brown sugar to it. Just a little bit, add a little sweetness. Stir it up. Just like that. And then we're gonna add the fried fish, you know, the fish that we just fried. All right. And we're gonna bring this to a boil, guys, and let it cook for a few more minutes, about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the sauce gets a little bit thick and it reduces, then we are good to go. All right, okay, remember we already fried the fish, you know. All right, guys, so the sauce is not where I want it to be as yet. It's still a little bit too loose, all right? So we're gonna thicken the sauce up a little bit. We're gonna add some cornstarch just to make sure it's, you know, where it needs to be. All right, and I think that should be it. Should be nice and thick in a few seconds. Oh yeah, that is it, baby. Add a little sauce, a little bit of that bell pepper, onion, tomato on top, you know. Not gonna overdo it, but oh yeah. Pour that sauce right on top now, guys. Ooh, look at that, baby. To eat brown stew fish is to taste the history of Jamaica. It's a dish that demands you to take your time picking through the bones to find the tenderest meat and using your last piece of festival to soak up the plate clean. It's not just a meal, it's Jamaica in a pot. Wow. Yo, this is too good, guys. You know, the crispiness from that frying, you know, the sauce infused inside of it, that brown stew sauce, is everything. Must try, banger. If you enjoyed watching the video, guys, don't forget to like, comment on the video. Let me know give me some feedback. You know, let me know what you think. You know, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so. All right, so as usual, big up on yourself. Peace, love. I'm out.